Our middleware AdlerDoo support a powerful feature that allows you to easily import and export products with variants to and from any marketplace. Simply select the products you want and then click on Export Products. The Export button enables users to download all selected products in a clean and structured Excel file. If you wish to export the variants, just follow the same steps. Select the variants on the screen and then click on Export Variants. Once done, users can download the Excel file and upload the variant data for products from any file format or structure. No fixed template required. When integrated with Odoo, you can conveniently track products and variants from the Odoo dashboard.
Stay tuned for the upcoming video.